Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're going to be working on this 2010 Kia Forte. I'll be showing you how to remove the alternator. There's really no good videos out there, so I figured this could help someone out. So let's get started. Okay, so first we want to go ahead and take the tensioner off. If you come right over here, that is your idler. And then right below it, right down there, that is your tensioner. And you want to go towards the cabin of the car with it. So we'll get a 17mm wrench. It's such a tight spot in here. Get on it. So we'll just push it forward and take our other hand and walk the belt off. Just like that. And it comes free. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do before you do anything else is go ahead and take this off with a 10mm. Just take the negative side off and let it just dangle. Okay, so now we got to start clearing a path for us. So we need to take this air duct off. It's 210s holding it in. And then you'll be able to come right out with it. So our plan of attack on this, I've done this before. You got to take this hose off. We'll take the jug off. Take our radiator fan off. Because when we take that alternator off, in the book it don't really tell you much how to remove it. It just says pretty much remove it. You can't come up with it and you can't go down with it because AC compressor's in the way. So the best way to do it is to come out, come over, and then you'll be able to bring it up. Okay, so go ahead and put you a drain pan underneath. We're gonna have to go ahead and take this hose clamp off. Work that off. Now, a little bit of coolant will most likely come out right here. There it goes. Wasn't too bad. Go ahead and take this off and just stuff it to the side. Okay, so up next you want to come right here to where the radiator fan connector meets. And you'll push down, pull out, and then we'll just stuff this to the side. Okay, so if we look down here, this little clip right here, you'll see that it will let you pull it up and out. Same thing on this side, right here, it just pulls up and out. Okay, so right here at your radiator cap, you have this hose. Just pull it off like that. Comes right off. Okay, so now we're just gonna pull it up. Make sure it comes out right here. There we go. Once you get it out of both of those, it should just come right out. So with a little fan dangling, it should come right out. Okay, so next we're gonna have to get the two 14mm bolts out of there. And see, this opened up all this room for us to snake it out right there. Okay, so first we want to take this little connector off right here. It just pushes in and pulls out. And there it is right there. As you can see, you just push in right here, pull off. Okay, so once you get on it, I had to use a very long extension and get over it over here. We have our 12mm on, and we broke it loose. Now we can zip it right out. Make sure not to lose that. And now this will pull right off. And just stick it out of our way for right now. Just to get these wires out of our way, we're going to disconnect this one right here. Push in, pull out. And then you want to disconnect it right here at the AC compressor. So pull that, push in, pull out. Now we can move these out of our way. We don't damage them. Okay, so if you look right here on top of this alternator, there's one bolt right here where my finger is. Move this hose down so you can see it a little better. It's right here. It's 14mm, and then you got one on the bottom. We're going to crack both loose first. Okay, that was on there tight, but now that it's loose, we're going to go ahead and get the bottom one done. Okay, so starting up here, we'll just go down here and show you where it's at. Right here. It's right here. Right there. Okay, so the GoPro footage may not have been that good, so let me try and show you one more time, because it's so tight in here, it's very hard to see, let alone work. But your alternator's right there. If you look right over here, right there where the light's at, right there, that is your bottom bolt. Okay, so a ratcheting wrench is going to be your best friend here. I got the bottom one where it's ready to come out. It will hit the frame, it's so tight in there, but don't worry about that. It will come out, it will actually pop out, and it'll make sense in just a second when you see what it's like without it. So let's go ahead and take out the top bolt now. And once again, these are 14 millimeters. So we'll just get back on this one. Okay, so as you can see it right there, we're just gonna get our electric ratchet, come in, okay. This one should just slide right out, just like that. Okay, so that bottom bolt is still in. We're going to take the alternator. So we're just going to pry it out, just like so. Now, once you get it loose, you should be able to wiggle it out just like that. And then you just want to work it through here and then come up right through there, just like that. Okay, so here is your AC. This is where your bottom bolt goes right here. And as you can see, there's no top right here. It just pops right out. Okay, so that should show you everything to remove it, and the install is the exact same way. The job isn't so bad when you know what to do, but the 14 millimeter bolts that hold on the alternator, those are always hard to get off, in my opinion. If you find an easier way, let me know down in the comments. But that's going to do it for this video, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.